G'day Aussie slot car enthusiasts. In this video we're looking at the result of a successful eBay auction bid, all for the steering wheel mirror assembly there on the MMC 54 Lotus 16. So the blue helmeted head will become a spare. I've got a car that needs the numbers, so I'll put those numbers on another car. Has a good exhaust. Unfortunately, one of the carby trumpets is broken off, but I don't really need that. That's what I bought it for. This is a good score though, and this is why I didn't do an unboxing. This was filthy. Not only filthy, it was moldy. Really, really moldy. So it still had the numbers on. Normally I would not remove the numbers, but this time I used toothpaste and a toothbrush to get rid of the mold, because I don't like the mold coming into the house. There's still some mold issues in here. Got to get in there and get rid of this mold. So this wheel needs to be fixed to the axle. But I reckon this is going to be a good candidate for restoration, although normally I wouldn't. I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to get one. But if I can get a screw for here, I can do a restoration on this. Now, it's still most unusually has the tool rear tyres. These are very hard to get. A lot of people reckon they didn't come out with tool rear tyres on the Grand Prix cars, but they did. They were like the real cars. They had tool tyres. So that's a MMC 58 Cooper. This is another Cooper. This is a C88. So by now they dropped the MM mini models reference. This one's just a C88. Still has Tri-ang. Still there. Tri-ang, but no MM for mini models. This is pretty badly broken in the front, all busted up, and I don't know anything about these ones. They'd removed by this, the bolts completely gone, a different guide type here. Don't even know what type of guide that has. Needs a couple of screws. It needs a lot. So I don't think I'll be fixing that. It's busted up, so I don't think I'll be fixing that. And we have a Junior that's missing the bottom part of the... So that clip there, that one there, there'd be a bottom section of the body that would cover the motor axle assembly. The motor clips in there, just sort of sits in there, held in by the body. And then these two clips, I believe, hold an Ackerman steering arrangement with the slot guide, so that'll just sit in the box. Maybe one day I'll get a bottle. I don't even know what it is, so that's what I got. So I can do a restoration of an Australian car with the steering wheel mirror assembly. That's all for today, and I'll catch you next time.